In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate in ElevenLabs in 2026. If you're working with a team, partner, editor, or other collaborators, ElevenLabs can help you work together on voice and audio projects more efficiently. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. After logging in, open your Workspace or the collaboration area available in your account. Before inviting anyone, make sure you are using the correct workspace or project. Keeping projects organized can make collaboration much easier, especially when you are working on multiple videos, podcasts, or other audio projects. Next, look for the option to invite or add members to your workspace. Enter the required information and send the invitation using the available collaboration options. Once a person joins the workspace, review the permissions or access level available to them. Depending on your ElevenLabs plan and the current interface, different roles or permissions may be available. Give collaborators only the access they need for their tasks. For example, someone working on scripts may need different access from someone managing voice generation or project settings. After your team members have access, you can work together on shared projects. You might create AI voiceovers, review generated audio, manage scripts, or organize content within the workspace. Communication is also important during collaboration. Make sure everyone knows which project or version they should work on to avoid confusion or duplicated work. If you are creating a larger project, such as a YouTube series, podcast, audiobook, or marketing campaign, use clear project names and organized files so everyone can quickly find the correct content. Before sharing or publishing the final audio, review the completed work and make sure the final version has been approved by the appropriate team members. Also remember that ElevenLabs may change its collaboration features, workspace layout, and permissions as the platform develops, so the exact options can vary. And that's how you can collaborate in ElevenLabs.